HIV is sponsored by the Prince George's County Health Department.
We've all been dealing with the pandemic for more than a year now, but while COVID-19 is front and center, there is another epidemic fight underway as well. And what many people believe and feel about HIV is hurting efforts to bring this disease under full control.
People still say it's a gay disease. In Maryland, it's almost 50-50 in terms of heterosexual transmission, as well as homosexual transmission.
Deirdre Spears Johnson is a co-founder of Heart to Hand. Her nonprofit based in Largo provides resources to help HIV patients and those at risk for HIV. When she worked for the CDC, Deirdre says she had to tell people they'd tested positive. In the 80s, that was considered a death sentence. In the 90s, people who became infected needed a cocktail of drugs to stay healthy.
HIV is not the HIV of 20 years ago. My clients take one pill.
At Safeway pharmacies, their professionals work with patients to make sure they don't run out of medicines, and when needed, match them with programs to partially or even completely cover the cost. Pharmacist Krista Hines says it's important to reduce the stigma as much as possible when it comes to HIV.
I think that is something that we'll always have to overcome because of how HIV came about.
How does one live with others' misconceptions about having HIV?
It's up to us to be bold and address those stigmatic moments or those stigmatic sayings or different things. And don't be afraid to have the conversation, because that's the only way it's going to break.
Peer counselor Shantae Spriggs has been doing that for over a decade. She was diagnosed in 2010 and helps Heart to Hand clients. She works with Heart to Hand, where team members say they try to create a family instead of a clinical atmosphere, one aimed at destigmatizing HIV.
We're still in denial about the fact that Black women, Black men, everybody in our community is being impacted.
It can be tough for anyone to talk about their HIV status. Tony and Emmy Award-winning actor Billy Porter just revealed he was diagnosed as HIV positive in 2007. And for members of the Hispanic community, there can be both a stigma and language barriers when it comes to facing HIV.
If the place does not understand your hope, or does not understand your language, or doesn't understand your traditions, then everything's become a stigma, right? Everything become a way to discriminate.
Dr. Shuana Barker runs programs at La Clinica, which supports Latinos with health services. Support and connection are key for all these providers.
We really help our clients take their power back.
And we'll be telling more of these stories over the next month. And there's more local news about treating HIV. Rockville's American Gene Technologies announced human clinical trials are underway for its new cell and gene therapy product. Last week, the first infusion took place. An HIV patient had their own cells removed and enriched, then put back in their body with the goal of equipping their own cells to fight infection. If the 6-month trial is promising, the treatment advances to a 15-year follow-up period. The FDA requires this for all gene therapy trials. So more exciting news in the fight against HIV.